Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 234 or Refusal to Discharge Elective Office. Under Article 234, refusal to discharge elective office is committed by any person who, having been elected by a popular election to a public office, shall refuse without legal motive to be sworn in or to discharge the duties of said office. May tatlong elements itong crime na ito. First, offender is elected by popular election to a public office. Example nito ay senator, congressman, governor, vice governor, etc. Basta naging public officer siya through popular election. Second, he refuses to be sworn in or to discharge the duties of said office. So after niyang manalo, ayaw niyang manumpa o ayaw niyang gawin yung duty sa office kung saan siya nanalo. Third, there is no legal motive for such refusal to be sworn in or to discharge the duties of said office. Wala siyang valid reason to refuse. Example ng valid reason, hindi na pala kaya ng health niya, doctor advised him na mag-bed rest na lang, etc. Tsaka yung healing period requires a longer time. Another valid reason nakulong siya after niyang manalo. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.